Hello, this is Brooks with Thompson Machine. Today I'm shooting our ISIS 9mm suppressor on a Walther P22. We get a lot of questions about how the ISIS sounds with 22 through it, so I'm going to shoot it today. It's dry, and I'm shooting CCI standard velocity. And of course, this is one of the beauties of the ISIS, is that you can shoot 22 through it and take it apart and clean it and not have any fear of gumming up your 9mm can. There you have it. Thompson Machine ISIS, 22 through, sub-caliber test. Hello, this is Brooks with Thompson Machine. I'm doing the same test as just a minute ago, only this time I've wet the suppressor a little bit. We also get a lot of questions, how does it sound wet with 22 through it? So, here you go. You'll see it's extremely quiet. And most of that sound you're hearing is bullet impact noise. The berm here is just about 15 yards away, so it's super quiet and makes a real cool can even neater and more versatile.